Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. I am Shailesh Fulsunge, father of a superboy, a hotelier since 1988, a Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Mellon Hospitality Private Limited. In continuation with my funding and financing videos, today we are going to talk on a very crucial topic under the funding and finance being the major topic, refinancing being the subtopic. Refinancing decision for an hotel owner helps him to save his property at times when the decision has been taken to sell it off. So the option as a consultant, we suggest that why don't you refinance it? There are occasions when the owners are fed up of higher EMIs and they are not able to serve their debts. So I have saved quite a number of hotel properties by suggesting them a refinancing model. Refinancing gives a breather. And why should a owner do or think of getting into a refinancing model? When your debt burden rises, if your sales are dropping, your debt burden rises. After cutting down, after spending your operating expenses, you are not able to serve the EMIs. At that point in time, the burden of EMI rises and the problem occurs and such thoughts of getting rid of the property comes into picture if the property is not rightly managed. Why all these situations come? Because the standalone owners, they don't hire the right operator, they run the property by themselves. I keep on telling, hire a right operator. He's only going to give you benefits. If he's coming, he will give you best operation, best of the marketing, best of the service, best of the guest experience. So there are 2 points why the refinancing is done. One is swapping off your current debts, swapping off your current loans. Second, harvest the unrealized gains from the existing projects and save the assets from getting sold out. So 2 factors are there. First, you can swap your own old loans. If somebody is in a position to get you a better loan with better interest, go for it. Second, it will save you from selling out the property. Now, what happens is swapping makes your interests and your longer and your tenure. Swapping makes your interest cut down lower, and when you're refinancing, there is a scope of extending your tenure. So once the tenure is extended, automatically your EMI comes down, your interest rate comes down, okay, and it becomes easier for you to serve. Obviously, if you're giving 100 rupees per month and if your next lender or the other lender who is going to come as a new lender to you, he's going to take 80 rupees. So obviously 20 rupees you're saving. So it will give a great support. And we are not here talking about 100 rupees and 20 rupees, we are talking about lakhs of rupees. So it makes a lot of difference. It supports the owner. It gives a good breather for the owners. Second, it reduces the monthly outflow. Once the outflow is reduced, automatically the owner gets the confidence, he is back into business. Thirdly, I would say it's a boon in disguise, boss. Try and understand it's a boon in disguise, because you are your outflow has reduced, your expenses in the form of EMI has been cut down. So obviously it's a profit. It's a straight cut down. It's a profit for you. So it's a boon in disguise for you. Refinancing will provide a way to access your monetization. It will allow you to monetize. It will allow you to monetize your various things. So always keep in mind, refinancing is the solution for people who are not doing well. Think of it. It's a wonderful escape route, or maybe a oxygen which can give you a breather. This will help in changing the minds of the owners from selling the assets. I hope I have made clear, and this will help you. So think of refinancing. I'm signing off with this, coming up with a lot of videos. Stay connected, subscribe my channel, like the video, and get connected. Till then, thank you.